97% of creators still struggle to make engaging videos, wasting time, money, and energy trying to figure it all out. If you're tired of complicated tools, blank screens, or expensive video editors, you're about to discover a done-for-you system that lets you create cinematic AI videos without writing a single word, hiring anyone, or touching a camera. Today's review: Google Veo 3 AI Expertise with PLR. A powerful, plug-and-play package that helps you cash in on the AI video revolution with zero tech headaches. Why should you care? Let's keep it real. This isn't some push-button money machine. But it is a ready-to-sell product packed with high-quality training, tools, and private label rights, built to help you launch your own AI video course, faceless channel, or digital service in just a few clicks. Here's why it's worth checking out. Cinematic quality video creation using Google Veo 3. No editing or scripting needed, just prompts. Built-in monetization methods plus DIY marketing kit. Keep 100% of the profits, it's your product, your brand. And yes, it's just $11.95 one time. Not monthly. How it works: 3 simple steps. Step 1, download the PLR package. Step 2, add your name, brand, or logo. Step 3, upload, launch, and start selling. Boom. You're in business, with a pro-level product and zero development cost. What you're really getting. Let's break this down. Here's what this package includes. 5 HD video lessons covering Google Veo 3, prompt engineering, monetization, and content strategy. 124-page premium training guide, over 11,000 words. Audio versions of all video lessons. PowerPoint slides, raw scripts, and editable files. Sales page, graphics, animated banners, email swipes, and social media creatives. 3 fast action bonuses: cheat sheet, mind map, and resource report. Total value: over $5,000. Today's price: just $11.95.
Attention digital marketers, content creators, and future-ready entrepreneurs. Are you ready to tap into the booming AI video revolution and build a profitable business without needing to be a video editor, tech wizard, or AI engineer? Envision having a ready-to-sell, high-demand video training course that lets you keep 100% of the profits while helping others master one of the most advanced AI video tools on the planet, Google Veo 3. With this powerful training package, your audience can learn how to create cinematic, professional quality videos using just text prompts, no cameras, no actors, no editing headaches. They'll discover how to write better prompts, control motion and styles, brand their content, and even monetize AI videos on platforms like YouTube, Fiverr, and more. Introducing Google Veo 3 AI Expertise with PLR. You're not just getting a course, you're unlocking a ready-made digital product built around the future of AI-powered video creation. Packed with premium training, marketing assets, and full private label rights, this DIY package allows you to rebrand it, sell it, and keep every dollar you make. Why Google Veo 3 AI Expertise is a game-changer. AI video is the future and Veo 3 is the tool leading the charge. Whether you're in digital marketing, video production, education, or affiliate marketing, people everywhere are racing to learn how to use AI to create high-impact, cost-effective content at scale. This course simplifies the complex. It breaks down Google Veo 3 step by step, showing everyday creators how to make scroll-stopping videos in minutes, even if they've never made a video before. Google Veo 3 AI Expertise with PLR is the perfect product for you. High demand, evergreen market. 100% ready for instant profit. Full PLR rights, rebrand, and retain 100% of profits. Here's what you'll receive with Google Veo 3 AI Expertise with PLR. 5 high-quality training videos. Professionally written training guide. 5 audio files. 5 raw video files. 5 expert presentation slides, PPT. High-converting sales copy. Customer sales video. Professional graphics. Animated banners. Professionally written email swipes. Professional mini sites. Legal pages. Social media graphics. PDF graphics. Chapter images. And that's not all, you'll also receive 3 fast action bonuses. Cheat sheet. Mind map. Top resource report. Simple steps to profit with this PLR product. Download the ready-to-market product. Replace with your name. Upload it to your server. Start selling and keep 100% of the profits. AI is the next big frontier for digital success. This is your chance to lead the charge in one of the most exciting, fast-growing digital frontiers. Empower your audience with future-ready skills and build a sustainable business around the booming demand for AI video creation. Don't miss out, secure your copy of Google Veo 3 AI expertise with PLR today and take the lead in the future of content creation.
The funnel breakdown. If you want to unlock more tools and income streams, here's a quick look at the upgrades. OTO 1, $37, more PLR content to expand your offers. Downsell 1, $32.95, same offer, lower price. OTO 2, $11.95, non-PLR training to boost your skills. OTO 3, $37, extra PLR upgrades for max profits. Downsell 2, $32.95, discounted version. Membership, $1 trial, then $27 per month, recurring income. High-ticket OTO, $3,000 product creation service, earn 10% if you refer it. You can earn up to $472 per sale, or use the upsells to boost your own results. A few honest drawbacks. Let's keep it real. There's no live dashboard or SaaS-style interface, it's a PLR course. Best suited for creators, marketers, and educators, not total beginners. But again, for this price, it massively over-delivers. Final verdict. If you want to launch your own AI video course or service. Build a faceless YouTube channel with cinematic content. Sell PLR training without building it from scratch. Tap into the booming world of AI video without tech struggles. Then Google Veo 3 AI expertise with PLR is a total no-brainer. For under $12, you're getting a complete system, full rights, and an entire sales funnel, ready to go. Quick bonus tip. You don't need to keep paying monthly just to use a platform. This gives you full control, full freedom, and full profits, without the monthly pain. Click the link in the description to grab it now before the price jumps. You'll also unlock some exclusive bonuses when you get it through that link, so don't miss out. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Hit like if this helped you. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart tools that save you time and help you earn more online. Thanks for watching, now go build something epic.